Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I will be going to show you how to make a whiteboard at home. So first, let's cover a A4 paper with a clear tape. Make sure to cover all the parts of the paper with the tape. Now with a scale, release all the air bubbles. Now let's cut the paper by its sides so that we can stick it on an A4 sheet. Make sure that you have subscribed to my channel. Our DIY whiteboard is ready. Now let's test it. You can erase it using any kind of tissue or any cloth, or you can also use sponge. If you have enjoyed the video, make sure you like it and subscribe to my channel, and also click on the bell icon to get notified for every new DIY video. Time for the shout out. Thanks for watching.